Hi guys, welcome back. So today we will learn about Webtable Pagination. Okay. So those who are not aware of what is pagination, let me tell you, or in fact, let me show you directly. Okay. So I have opened one website. Okay. In that you can see there is one table. Okay. And this table we have almost 13,000, almost 14,000 records. Okay. So it's not possible to show all 14,000 records in a single page in a single web table. Okay, so that's why what developer has done, he has divided the records in different pages in the table. Okay, in one page is showing only 10 records. Okay, in second page showing next 10 records, like that it is having 1390 pages. Okay, this is called pagination. Okay, so they divided the records based on the pages. Okay, so today we will see how we can handle this web table pagination. Okay, so I have already created a test case for this, just to navigate to each page and store the data or buffer the data. So I for just to explain, I have just buffered the email ID. Okay, I have not buffered all the fields. I have just email ID, and the concept which we have used to implement this. So we have used uh, while loop. Okay, and also repetition concept, as well as a small if condition we have used. Okay, so uh, when we start thinking to work on this scenario, okay, first thing what we will think, like, okay, this is one web table. What we will do, we will get the count, then we will navigate, iterate over each record. Okay, and once this page record is done, then we will click on second page. Like that we'll move to next page and buffer the records, which is a correct logic. Okay, and the same logic we have followed here. We have followed, I have followed in my scripting. Okay, so I will explain each and every line which I have created for this particular scenario. Okay, so let me jump to Tosca script. Okay, so web table pagination is the test case which I have created. Okay, I can create a test case while recording also, but the problem is, like, there's some logic is required. If I try while explaining, so it will take a lot of time, and video will be too lengthy. Okay, so when people will watch it, is like they will get bored of watching long videos. That's why I have created a test case and then I am recording. But don't worry, I will explain each and every line. It will be clear for you. Okay, so we'll start with the first step. Okay, to get the total page count. Okay, so to move to each page, okay, we need the count, like till when we have to move, like till what page we have to move. Okay, so if you see at the bottom, we have total page 1390. So if you mm, click on this arrow at the last, you will see 1390 page. Same thing here also, it is displaying. Okay, so what I have done, I have captured this particular division. Okay, I have captured particular text. Okay, from this text I am capturing this number 1390. So just see here, first I will show you what all I have captured. Okay, I have captured a table. Okay, inside a table I have just captured on and edit button. On is for checkbox, edit is for this edit button. Okay, so this I have just captured, and button is this button. Okay, and I have anyway I'm not doing anything on this controls, just I have captured it. And this is the one which I am talking about, like this is the division which will hold this particular string, whole string. Okay, and the page number is nothing but these numbers I have captured. Okay, and inner text I have passed page numbers. I will tell you why I have passed buffer here. Okay, so this is the control which I have captured. Okay, this total page will capture the this particular string. Okay, so from this particular string we have to capture the total number of pages. Okay, so same thing I am doing here. Just see here total page. Okay, and in that total page this division will hold the inner text property for this particular string. Okay, inner text will be having this whole string. So what I am doing in inner text, I am buffering the total number of pages. Okay, so the syntax is like this. I will explain you. Okay, okay, the syntax is like, okay, and okay, and I will copy this. So inner text will be having, okay, inner text will be having this value. Okay, from the inner text what I am doing till here, whatever text is there, just ignore it. Okay, after bracket whatever text, whatever number is there, sorry, whatever number is there, just capture in some buffer name which I am using total pages, and after that pages text is there, and after pages ignore whatever text is there. So what will happen when we run the script? So it will, Tosca will compare, this following syntax. Okay, following syntax with this syntax, and it will see where is the opening braces. It will come here. Okay, after that it will see, okay, buffer of total pages, partial buffer or X buffer. So in total pages it will store this particular number 1390. Okay, and up, it will check whether after space pages is there. Okay, it is there, and after that it will ignore and it will store 1390 into this total pages buffer. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, I think it is clear. Okay, just to get the total number of pages I am capturing here. Okay, and whenever we use X buffer, action mode should be verified. Okay, now in the second step I have taken tbox at buffer and given one buffer name page number as 1. Okay, because our page will start with number 1. Okay, always it will be point to number 1. Now I have used while condition. Okay, in while condition, in condition I am checking one condition using tbox evaluation tool. Okay, buffer of page number is less than equals to total pages. That means if page number here, if I run this script, Tosca will come, sorry, when I run this script, the control will come inside condition folder and then condition is step, sorry, and it will come and check page number is less than equals to total pages. So now page number is 1 and total pages we are getting here. Total pages is just consider, just as of now consider 100. So condition is true, 1 is less than 100. Okay, now it will come inside loop. Okay, because condition satisfied, it will come inside loop and get the count of records in each page. Okay, we want to store the email ID, okay, of all the customers. Okay, all the customers in each page. So for that we need to have count of these records, like how many records are displaying in each page. Okay, because some page might have 7 records, some page might have 10 records. Okay, so we should know the record, so we will take the record at runtime, this table record. So that's what I am doing. I am taking the record count and storing in RC. Okay, so it will come here, it will take the count. Okay, we have total 11 records including header it will take. Okay, after getting the record, what I am doing, I am just doing whatever count we have, count minus 1, because it includes header. So I am reducing count 1. So total it will give count as 11, but actual record we have 10. Okay, that is excluding header. Okay, now in the next step what I am doing, I am using if condition. Okay, if condition, and again T-box evaluation tool, I am checking if page number is greater than 1. Okay, page number I have initialized here to 1. Okay, and I am checking page number is greater than 1. Why I am checking? Because already we are in page 1, no need to again go and click on page 1. Okay, directly we can buffer this value and then we can go to page 2. Why to unnecessary to click on page 1 again? Because whenever you launch a website, okay, and when this table will load, it will always point to first page. Okay, it will not point to 7th page or 8th page, it will always be on first page. Okay, that's why I don't want to click on first page. Okay, I want to capture and then I want to move to second page. So that's what I'm doing here. If condition, if page number is greater than 1, if condition satisfied, then click on page number. Click on page number. Okay, now first iteration what it will do, it will come here and it will check page number is 1. So it will only capture the value, it will not click here. Okay, in the second iteration our page number will get increased to 2. Then it will check if page number is greater than 1. Yes, 2 is greater than 1. It will the condition will get satisfied and then it will click on second page. Okay, so just I will show you the steps. Okay, then I'm giving some wait statement because the execution will be very fast. Okay, just to show you people, I'm adding some wait statement. Okay, and the next folder is the repetition folder. I have given some meaningful name also to understand. This folder repetition is used to iterate over each record in a page. Okay, now we are in page 1. We want to store the email for each employee, so we have to iterate. Okay, for all the available records. So we have already got the record count. Okay, we already got the record count from here RC. So same I am passing here buffer of RC in the repetition, and here I am capturing the email ID. Okay, dollar of repetition I have given. Okay, in the next step I have given wait. Okay, so it will wait for some time, then it will go for next iteration. So in the next step, in the last step, what I am doing here, I have initialize the page number as 1. Okay, so what I am doing here, I am incrementing the page number every time till we reach this condition. Okay, so what it will do, first iteration page number will be 1. Okay, let me delete this. Page number will be 1. After completing this all steps inside loop, page number will get increased to 2. Then again it will come here, it will check 2 is less than equals to total number of pages, suppose 100. Yes, condition satisfied, then again it will come. Okay, it will take the record of second page. Okay, how many records are there, then it will check. Okay, if 2 is greater than 1, condition satisfied, then it will come to then part and it will click on page number 2. So how it is clicking page number 2, if I move to jump to module attribute, if you see inner text will hold these numbers 1 2 3 4. Okay, so when I captured this number like number 2, okay, the inner text was captured as 2. That was hard coded. Okay, if I run, it will always click on second page because inner text was 2. So to make it generic, what I did, I have passed one buffer with page number. Every time my page number counter will increase. Okay, first time it will be inner text 1, so it will go and it will click on 1. Anyhow, we are not clicking on 1, but just for example I am telling. So when it comes to page number 2, it will go and click on page number 2, because after this condition in under loop, we are incrementing page number. Okay, so page number will keep on incrementing, and it will it will click on each page. Okay, so now total 1390 pages are there, but I'm not going to run the script for all these pages because it will take a lot of time. Okay, so we will run only for 4 to 5 pages. Okay, for that, what I will do, uh, I will change total pages to, I will just define here, I'm not disturbing this step. I will just define to 5. Okay, so I want to run this um, my script for 5 pages. Okay, because if I run for more pages it will take time. Okay, so even though this step will capture the total pages, but in the next step I am limiting my page to 5. Okay, let me quickly run this and show you. Now from first page it has captured the values, email ID, and in the second page it has captured. Now it will go to the third page. Third page it will capture. Now it will go to the fourth page. Now it will go to the fifth page, and after that script will stop because we have given the count as page count as 5. Okay. The test case is showing as passed because it has captured the value for all 5 rows, sorry, 5 pages. Okay, we'll see one by one. You can see verification was success. Okay, and this total pages will be having 1390 pages. Okay, but in the next step what we have done, total pages we have set to 5. Okay, just to make it short, I have made it to page count as 5. You can see till 5 pages it has run. In the 6th iteration our condition got false. 6 is less than equals to 5, which is false, so our control came out of the loop. Okay, and inside repetition you can see in the first repetition we have got count as 11. Total number of record is 11. Okay, including header. So what I am doing, I am just doing a total record minus 1, which is 10. Total 10 records we have. Then in condition we are checking if 1 is greater than 1, evaluated to false. Okay, it has not clicked on page 1 because it's already in page 1. Now it went inside repetition and it has captured the email ID. Same way it has captured for all 10 rows. Okay, after that it has increased the page number from 1 to 2 because we have initialized the page number to 1. Now it went into the second iteration. In the second iteration it has checked the condition where 2 is less than equals to 5. 5 is the page number and 2 is the current page. Okay, for current page which we are checking, 2 is less than equals to 5, which is true. It went inside loop. It It took the total record count in the second page, which is 11. The same steps I followed here also, it reduced to 1. Then it came to if condition and checked whether 2 is greater than 1, which is true, condition satisfied. We came here, it clicked on second page. It clicked on second page. Okay. Then after clicking on second page, again it came and it has iterated for all 10 rows, captured the values, how it captured in the first iteration. Like that, it followed the same approach till fifth page, and at the end of fifth page it has increment the page number to 6. Okay, but our page count limit I have given 5. So in the sixth iteration it came and checked whether 6 is less than equals to 5, which is false, and it came out of the loop. Okay, if you try to understand this particular test case or a scenario in bits and pieces, okay, it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, because we have combined some three concepts here, like loop concept and our repetition concept. Okay, while also there, if also there. Actually, if you in one of my video, one subscriber commented like he wanted to see the while and if condition, okay, in some real-time scenario. So this is a very useful scenario where we can see while condition as well as if condition as well as repetition condition. So this is how we can handle the pagination. Okay, there might be some other approach, people might be having some other logic, but whatever logic I can think of, so I have implemented and showed you. Okay, and after seeing this video, some people might have might get one question like this the scenario which I showed is for buffering the content. Okay, buffering the particular email content. What if we want to verify some email id of some employee customer? Okay, suppose I want to verify whether this particular email id exists or not. Okay, so once I found when this is exist, okay, I don't want to continue with my loop. I want to exit from the loop. Okay, because if we want to verify this particular email id among all the records, okay, if we found in page 1, that's fine. If we found in page 2, that is also fine. No need to go to other pages, which is a valid question. Okay, so for that the mm, um, logic will be slightly different, but if we want to implement uh, this particular scenario in the same script which I have created, we have to I have some shortcut which I will tell you. Okay, just we need to add one if condition. Okay, suppose this is the email id we want to validate whether it's there available or not. It's there in fourth page. Okay, so the expectation is the loop will iterate till fourth page, and in the fourth page we should this email id will get verified and my while loop should get terminated. Okay, I should not go to the next page because it's a waste of time if already we have done the verification. So what we can do here, we are capturing the email. Okay, let me add one if condition here. Okay, and let me just copy paste this. Instead of page number, I will give email, and this is the email I copied. If this email equals to whatever expected email is there, then okay, then we have to terminate the loop. So this is once logic, not kind of logic, it's kind of trick I am telling you. Okay, so what I will do here, now I have hard coded the page number. Okay, here page number, total pages is 5, but when originally when we work with um, Webtable or in real time, we will not hard code. Whatever pages we have, we will use that many pages. But just to um, show you people, I have limited the page count as 5. Okay, so now we know the total pages we have, this total pages. Okay, and total pages I have passed as 5. So once our condition is satisfied, at the end what we are doing, we are incrementing the page numbers. Okay, and we know the what is our page number count. So what we will do, I'm just hard coding now. Okay, in the real time you can use the buffer, because we are already using the about capturing the total pages in buffer. So what I'm doing, once my verification is done, I am setting the page number to 5. Okay, so what will happen after this step, the it will come here and it will increment the page number to 6, and then it will go to condition and it will check 6 is less than equals to 5, which is false, and it will come out of the loop. This is one trick uh, to come out of the loop, while loop. Okay, so just we'll check this logic here. Okay, let me just run this. So execution is started and our loop should get a discard after 4th page. Okay, it should not go to 5th page. It went to 3rd page and it's buffering. After that it will go to if condition. It will not find the email in this page. Email is available. Just see here, it it stopped at page 4th because it found the particular email ID. It didn't went to 5th page. You can see here after 4th page our page number got incremented to 6. Okay, and in the 5th iteration, in the condition itself, it got failed. 6 is less than equals to 5, evaluated to false. Okay, this is how we can come out of the while loop. It's just a short trick. Okay, same way like I have just buffered it or did one verification. Same way, if you want to perform some action, like if you want to edit, if you want to delete, you can perform. Okay, just a simple operation I have showed you. I wanted to show this pagination, Webtable pagination, because this question was asked by one of the subscriber. Okay, so we have covered two scenarios, like not scenarios actually. One subscriber asked about while and if loop in a real-time scenario, and one subscriber asked Webtable pagination. So in Webtable pagination itself, we have covered while if and repetition concept. Okay, hope this is clear. Okay, I tried my best to explain whatever the script I have created. Okay, so whatever hard coded I have done, please don't follow any hard code values. Always use generic values, but just to short just to short the execution time. Okay, I have limited the page count. Okay, don't use the hard code values in the script. Okay guys, that's all for this scenario. Thank you. Bye bye.